Over 2 years ago, this dad canceled their newspaper subscription. But he decided to keep one that he puts on his driveway every day since he knew how much his dog enjoyed grabbing the newspaper in the morning. Animals' health tends to deteriorate progressively worse from unfamiliar environments and action acting upon them. In this case, this poor dog, who is blind and is yet so motivated by the smallest action despite being old, which inspires and encourages us to love this poor innocent soul.